Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa is fighting back legally and politically after a day of meetings with his cabinet after the Karnataka governor sanctioned his prosecution on corruption charges. B.S. Yediyurappa has hit back, as has his party, which says the governor is acting like an agent of the Congress. Maya Sharma has an exclusive meeting with the Chief Minister and spoke to him a short while ago.
Political developments happening thick and fast in Karnataka as the battle really between the governor and the chief minister continues. Joining us is Karnataka's chief minister, Mr. B.S. Yediyurappa. Sir, did the governor's decision to sanction prosecution take you by surprise? He had said he would do it, but after the 26th. Were you surprised?
I will welcome this. I have no objection for this governor decision. Only thing is, he could have given an opportunity to explain everything. He could have sent the complaint copy also, without giving any opportunity, and even not sending the copy of the complaint. And he has taken hasty decision, and he is behaving like a Congress JDS agent. This hurt us.
You feel he was in a hurry to do this? He was
100%, because he himself told this, there are so many important things are involved in this. I must study whether I got this any right to take any decision. This was the press notice released recently. But when we have taken the cabinet decision, immediately rushed to come to this decision. It shows his urgency, and also just to please the Congress leadership in Delhi.
Now, you sounded upset that he did not give you a copy of the sanction order or a copy of the petition. Did this upset you?
Definitely, madam. Not only that. Yesterday night, when our principal secretary met governor, he refused to give the order copy also. And he told to say, go and tell your chief minister, I am not going to give the copy. And up to Monday, you go, let him take in the court. Is it a way of telling this type of the things to the principal secretary of the chief minister? Is it a way? And calling Karnataka chief minister as thief? Never in the history in the country, no governor has spoke like this.
Now, you had said that from the start, that governor was giving trouble to your government. He seemed to want to give trouble to the government. Why would you think he would do this? What would be the reason?
Come here as a governor to see that Congress should somehow come to power. Because day by day, Congress is losing in Lok Sabha and Taluk Panchayat and Jilla Panchayat. So he wanted to indirectly help the Congress and also JDS party. He don't like Bharatiya Janata Party to be in power in Karnataka. That is the reason that he couldn't able to achieve that mission. So now he has created so many problems. And I think his ambition is, he was telling so many times, Yediyurappa ji, public atmosphere is very good, public support is very good. Why can't you dissolve the assembly? And you will get 140, 150 seats. Openly was told 3-4 times. That means he wants to sit in this chair for 3-4 months, enjoy the power. That may be the reason.
What would be your next step? The two lawyers have approached the court today. What is the next step for you legally?
We will fight this issue both legally and politically.